Popping these old valve springs up out of here. I'm gonna know how to put cam kits in before you know it. He already been pushing us to get a new shop. I'm finna.
It's all about, you know, a precision, a way to do this shit. Like, you know what I mean? Get them out, okay, let's bring them up. I heard the song going, that shake rattle and go, man. We ain't gonna be all day with it.
One good whack, makes a crack.
The other one is up under him. Hey, I understand what I'm saying. Let me pull my britches up, goddammit, I gotta have them up now, shit. How about the timepiece, though? I ain't gonna lie, take the timepiece, man, no. Got that from Ray.
Yes,
Ray bless him to the game right quick. Take that right up. It's still in there.
I bet.
There you to the side. Just show me one time how to do something more. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Now, real time. You show me one time about to show it to me. I'm one of them niggas like, man, I ain't finna, I'm gonna, you show me how to fish?
Yeah.
Nigga, I'm finna eat, nigga, me and the family. One time, my first time doing this shit.
We got another head to go.
I fully understand.
Let me see this other
I
head.
fully understand.
See again, we got, oh shit, the new one somewhere around here. There it is. Ah.
It's just a certain amount of weight that motherfucker need. A certain amount of pressure. Certain amount of pressure.
Gang, so I just popped all them old seals off. Yeah.
All right, so yeah, we popped these old, you understand, man? I say we could. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't no mechanic at all.
Unc popped the springs off.
Unc ain't no goddamn mechanic. Hey, I did that shit though, so guess what, man? If I can do it, any motherfucking body can do it, you understand me? But you gotta have the patience, man. I don't think nigga got the patience like he got, cause he finna put these motherfuckers back on the song bitch. Now show
I'm finna do
what you finna do?
The seals. I just popped them other
So
seals.
you putting these here shits off?
I just put them on.
Oh shit. Wait a minute.
You know what I'm saying?
You pulled these off. You
Right
pulled
here.
them off
Here they is,
Oh,
right
that
here.
is over there. So you finna pull these off.
Easy.
Easy money. Easy money. Let me do a little film work. Little film work, producing shit too. You understand me? So KRG. You understand me, man? I'll bring some comedy to you motherfuckers, man. Since you pop the damn thing off right there, so you gonna clean all that shit, right?
With the oil.
That shit leaking and shit. Shit got oil in the shit leaking.
That's good oil.
The shit got overactive glands. He say that is good oil though, so that is good liquids.
So when I slide the new ones on, she gon'
When he slide, the new one's on. The slide, the new one's on. Now, hey, this is some grown folk shit here. I ain't lying to y'all. Y'all check it out. It's grown folk shit. I ain't fucking with these goddamn meat motors and shit like this here, man. Y'all see that shit say G motherfucking M? Yeah, it's made in the motherfucking U.S.
Yeah, this is the simplest part.
Oh, he's slick. Oh, they sliding right in.
Still gotta bite them down to the bottom though.
Bite them down.
With the socket. You know what I mean?
Bite them down. Now, I know some shit that be biting on niggas thing, bite it down, and it'll make a nigga knock that boy in like that down. And bite down on. Boy, look at him. Yes, sir. Oh, that's good money, man. It's like a bit down on it.
That's him. You know, you gotta
Go a bit down on me one time.
Springs and
Real fast. You know, oh shit. I ain't pull up on it.
so you gotta drop the new spring, but that's all we can do now because I ain't got the spring tool.
Stay inside, y'all.
I wonder if Kev got it.
All right, them the guts, y'all. These are the guts, okay? I'm gonna show y'all the innards, okay? These are the innards, okay? Okay? These them guts. Oh, now this the brand new Spritz now his things.
See, the best thing about doing it while the head's not under, you ain't gotta worry about keep turning the motor over everywhere you go. Because if it's already in the motor, you gotta have the cam in, and you gotta keep on turning it over. That ain't what you want.
Man, look at
There ain't no specific way to go up or down. See?
It don't matter.
Now, cause once you bite down on them, it's gonna level out and be flat on both ends. Then on top of them,
boy, trying to make me turn me into a mechanic around here. Yo, we back, y'all. We back. We're gonna do some editing. I'm talking about boys getting it right. The innards.
now we need the spring too, but that's it on there. We finna go drop the cam in the block.
Y'all be saying, y'all, I'm talking about he grew up in rotten smut. Man, that's them innards. That's them guts. Some guts. Y'all see them guts? Yeah, guts. It's your boy KRG. We out.
Alright, gang, so y'all already know your boy back with another hands-on one. And staying hands-on. A normal nigga just stab this old cam in there. Y'all already know I got cam bearings and everything put in, so I ain't gotta show this, but I am gonna grease up my cam each load before I drop it in. I'm just gonna use some regular grease. I mean, to each is his own. I just want to guarantee I don't have no dry start. Alright, gang, so y'all see your boy got grease all the way up and down that good cam. Just gonna lube it down, make sure it's all greased up. You just don't want to go in dry. Whatever you do, don't install no parts dry. You know what I'm saying? Gotta lube it up. You're gonna get dirty, but guess what? You gotta be hands-on, man. This ain't for the ladies. This is for the gentlemen. You gotta put your hands on and get it right. I wanna put more lube than that. But that's cool right there. We lubed up, brand new cam bearings. We shouldn't have no problems. I do got one problem. Got the snaps, gang. You already know I'm gonna lube you up, baby. Just let me finish this cam and I'll get your ass lubed up too. You need a cam bolt sometimes to help you get the last little piece in. Cause it ain't easy on the last part. Boom. She in there again. Spin nice and tight. That's cause that grease. She gonna spin good. Yes, sir. Alright, so that's it. We'll pull these bolts out. These bolts actually belong to the oil pump. I already got the motor at top dead center. As you can see, that piston right next to my ice cream is right at the top, and I got the dot right here on the hole. So right now, I need to find my cam bolts. I know I got the 3 cam bolts, and to get my cam sprocket. And we're finna put the cam sprocket on real quick. You know what I'm saying? Again, so I got the cam bolted in. Y'all can see the cam is right on the inside. I got the harmonic balancer bolted down, front timing plate bolted down. So now all that's left, slap my head gaskets on, drop the heads on, torque the heads down the spits, and then I still need the spring tool to compress the springs. That way I can do my heads the correct way. But for now, I'm just gonna bolt the heads down to the block and drop the lifter trays in and all that good stuff. It's gonna be up from there. All right, gang. So I got the lifter trays in already. Fresh pistons all cleaned up. And then just drop this these head gaskets on. The hands-on way. Put it in real good. Just like that. That's all nice and neat. Now we can place our heads up. Set our heads right on and start putting our bolts down so we can start torquing our bolts down the spec. Alright gang, so long story short, we got brand new head bolts. They already come with a little thread seal on there. So you gotta make sure you actually put them in the right spot because just because it's head bolts don't mean all of the long bolts go in where you think they go. For sure, these bottom take long bolts, but the bolts on the ends, they're a little shorter. So I'm gonna show you how you gonna know. See, like this one's gonna drop in. See, that's a long bolt. This one drop in, it's a long bolt. This one might not. Oh, it's a long bolt. So this one up here might drop in, but it might not. See how it don't drop in all the way, gang? So we know it's a short bolt. See, it's a difference between the short and the long bolt. And in the front, 9 times out of 10, you gotta check, make sure. Yep, the short bolt. So don't get it mixed up because you won't be able to tighten them down. So you know for sure the bolt in the front is short and the bolt in the back is short on each side. And you can't get it mixed up. Only way you can tell for sure, like I say, stick your long bolt in. See how it don't go all the way down? It's not good. Gotta pull that short bolt out, stick it in, boom. And we got these bolts long. I'm pretty sure all these bottom ones long. Look at that, long bolt. Then you got these 10s, go at the top, all the way across. I was gonna reuse my old bolts at first, but I didn't see that the kit came with the new bolts. Right now would be a tragic time for any bolt to drop off into the motor because, long story short, we already got the motor almost filled up. So we don't want nothing to fall off in the bottom of the block. So right now would be a good time to, actually cover up this middle. But I'm finna go and stick the vanity cover plate on anyways. So we ain't gotta worry about that. So, ooh, see what I'm talking about? Look at that. And I just spoke it into existence. Look how that bolt went in there. Ooh, man, I would have to take the whole oil pan off, but I'm finna get some, no, you can't. I'm finna get some needle nose and get that out of that, gang, but that's what I was talking about right there. Gang, so I just went to O'Reilly's, grabbed me the torque wrench. It's an old school torque wrench, but don't worry, y'all, you can still use it. They still do the same thing that the other torque wrenches do. So all my bolts is 15s, you know, to go in a star-like pattern, hit the first middle bolts, then work your way out. You know what I'm saying? Like that there. And you just have to do one torque settings, then the other torque settings, and the heads will be bolted down. And for the valve springs, got this booker here, 8 books from O'Reilly's. It's a valve spring compressor. Basically, I just bolt it down to the block and press down on the spring. So we're gonna see how that works. Hopefully it do work. If not, it is what it is. We'll make something happen. Yiggity, yiggity, yump. All right, gang, so here it is. I got the motor. GTO's all dusty. Can't wait to get it in. Hands dirty, I'm tired. It's up. I'm about to go on, at least stab the motor in the GTO. But to tell you the truth, man, it's like 12 o'clock. Your boy is tired. But I'm in grind mode because I got to get my baby rolling, man. Can't have this car sitting up in here like this, man. So, yeah. I plan on having this thing done by tomorrow. Tomorrow, all I want to do is put oil in it, fill up the transmission with transmission fluid, make sure the radiator and everything good with juice. And I want to put the pedal to the floor. Cammed up, Ls1. Shit, I'm back on the streets, Brody. Yiggity, yiggity, yow.